Yeah, this is Talk Kota. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. This is Talk Kota, and this training will be teaching you how to set up your shop on Jumia, an example of marketplaces you can sell on. Uh, Join me as we ride along. So, here we are. First steps to selling on Jumia, an introduction to selling on online platforms called marketplaces, delivered to you by Toko. This flyer was designed using uh, this is Canva. Canva is an interesting tool. It helps you to do almost everything that your graphic artist will need to do for you, from creating business cards to flyers to it does all of that for you. Who are we? Tokotaya, we are crafters and digital marketers. We help you to start and scale your business. We help you grow your customer base using the power of the internet. We'll help you run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and we do more. We help you with sales funnels that convert and make money for your business. We also teach how to do all these things. Canva is an interesting tool, and we have a class on how to use Canva to better your presence on the online space. So Canva was used to design this, and this was done in less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. Well, this class will be on how to sell on Jumia. There are two ways to sell on Jumia. What's Jumia? Jumia is a marketplace like we all know. So it means that a lot of different people come here to post things that they have for sale. But for you to sell on this platform, you need to be a registered salesperson here. You need to open your shop. And to do that, we can start in any of these two ways. One, you can go on the Jumia page, this normal page that I'm showing you, scroll down and click on the sell on Jumia link that is down almost at the bottom of the page. That's the bottom of the page. So you can see this sell on Jumia. You can go that way, or you can just go on Google and type in Jumia Seller Center. Type in Jumia Seller Center, you click on the first thing that comes on the search button, and it brings you to this page. Any of those two you click on will bring you to this page. Make money, sell to customers, start selling on Jumia. Now you come on that page. This is the page. I'm just scrolling down so you are familiar with it. And you click again on the sell on Jumia button, and it brings you here. And this is where it all begins. Register and start selling today. Create your own seller account, or like I said, open your online shop, your online store, your online business point on Jumia. What are the advantages of selling on marketplaces? The first and the biggest advantage is that you automatically bridge the know, like, trust factor. People are already accustomed to buying on these platforms, so it is easy for them to buy from anybody that is on the platform, because the know, like, trust factor that this system has built affects you. It rubs off on you positively, so it's easier for you to sell. Two, they have their logistics system already set up, so you don't really have the headache of trying to get your goods delivered to the customer. They have widespread, they have reach. Most of these online marketplaces have a lot of good reach, so they really help you connect with your customers easily. Now, to open your shop here, you need to do this 4 things. It's just in 4 simple steps and you're done. 1, you open your seller account. 2, you give them your business information. 3, you open your bank account. 4, the summary. So this is it. First and last name. You add your seller accounts. This is a dummy account, so we'll be using the name Ayo Joy. Phone number. Type in your phone number. Then here, display name or shop name. The name you write here will be the name that your shop will carry. That will be the name that will be displayed on top of the products that you sell. So for this, I'll be using the name Ayo Bargains. Everybody loves to have a bargain. Ayo, bargains store. Referred by, yes, this is the email that is referring you, adriel001 at gmail.com. So you type that in as the email that is referring you, then you type in your own email. It's important that you type in the correct email here, because what you type in here will be what Jumia would use to get back and communicate with you. So for example, let's do your bargains at gmail.com. Your bargains at gmail. This is tentative. You have to write this again. Your bargains. That's how important it is. That's how important it is. Then you create a password. Please, when you are creating a password here, your password is like the key to your mansion. This is the key to your store. You don't give it to anybody. You make this password alphanumeric. That means you have alphabets, you have numbers in between, and it is better to actually have capital letters and lowercase letters intermixed within this. So for example, let's say you do capital F, small letter G, small letter H, hashtag at capital AYO. Make sure it is something that will be easy for you to remember. Make sure it is something that will be easy for you to remember. Then after all that is done, you need to click on this little square here, e-contract Jumia. You can actually go through the contract by clicking on this e-contract Jumia Nigeria hyperlinked in blue to take you to the contract page where you can get to read all of the things that are on the contract. Or I advise you to strongly do that. You click on these after that is done, and you click on the continue button. Now, so now this is a test page, and it's complaining about my password. So password done. Step 2. Different products available. Fashion. You fill in your address. 14. For now, some of this information you can Jumia is so flexible with a lot of this. So you can see legal name or company name. Have all that filled, then you click on the continue button. So different products available. How many products do you have to sell? It can just be any number. It's not so important. And this is where you get to fill in your bank details. At this point, you've gone 1, 2, 3 steps deep. You fill in your bank details here. What's the name of the bank? Fill in the name of your bank. CBA. You fill in the name of your bank. You fill in the code of your bank. Fill in your account name. Please, this is important. This is very, very, very important. IBAN, SWIFT, bank information, Just put in your account number, your BVN number. Okay, this is even new. Put in your account number and you are good. Why? This is how 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits, am I correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 11 digits. So with these 10 digits, we're good. And this is supposed to create our store. See? That's simple. We have our store ready. Can we see? So we have seller account information. We have a seller ID, NGI. Now remember that this is a test account. So now once this is done, this first step is complete. You click on start selling. Thanks for signing up with us. They will send you an email. In that email, you will receive the link for you to begin to upload products onto your store. This is part 1 of the class. Now that this is done, we'll take a little break, come back for part 2 of how to start selling on Jumia or online marketplaces. Remember, it's been tire craftpreneurs and digital marketers. We help you to move your business forward by getting you customers with the use of the internet. We help you with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and sales, full sales funnel. We also help you to maximize your use of the social media by giving you tips and tools that help you make the best of selling via social media. Thank you and God bless. So that's one.
What's breaking into two?
What's it breaking? Sorry.
I don't know why. Why?
It is called modules.
Okay.
First step in the common
It's
module.
very good. Close eyes. Yeah, open it. Open it and look at.
I can't see anything.
Subject individual that. Facebook card.
Lie.
Just on Facebook.
Okay.
Me, what go scroll on the page.
Send message.
Somebody's page. Tomorrow night, my gather say. Okay, you idiot. I just showed you.
I think this thing does not stop recording.